Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be sharing one TCS digital interview experience. Also, I just want to tell one thing. Whatever you will be seeing in this interview experience, I just checked. No question is out of our notes. Okay, so each and every question which is asked in this interview was present in our notes. Okay, so if you have not purchased, you can purchase the notes. If your interview is coming, you can purchase the note. You can start preparing from the notes. So there is ebook available. This ebook you can use for your preparation. Like if you want to quickly prepare in 4 to 5 days, then this ebook contains only the important question. Then we also have the separate notes for the deeper preparation. Like oops, we have notes for programming, for STL collection framework, for HR question we have notes. Then we have notes for DSA theory, we have project based questions, CS fundamentals notes we have, then SQL queries we have, then computer science notes we have, then coding sheet we have, then pseudo codes we have, then we have the interview candidate interview experience sheet. Okay, so there are a lot of things available. The link will be in the description for the notes which you can use. Now coming back to the interview experience, let's talk about this. So this is the interview experience for TCS digital interview experience called Kolkata region, 40 minutes, TR plus MR plus HR, department ECE. First of all, code Fibonacci series code done fully with the dry run and explanation. He was satisfied. Okay. So first question which they asked is the Fibonacci code. Okay. Fibonacci is simple only. Okay. Where you will add the previous two elements and you will generate the new element, right? So you can do this using iteration as well as you can use recursion. Second, minimum marks SQL query. Done minor mistake, but interviewer helped me to get the solution. I answer correct in last. TR said your technical concepts are strong. Just be confident. Okay, so this TR said. Also, if you are wondering for SQL queries, we included 60 SQL queries in our practice sheet in the notes which you can use. Okay, then computer network concepts, OSI model, TCP, UDP. I answered 7 layer of OSI. I explained the IP address TCP UDP protocol. Project explanation, coding implementation deep. He was satisfied by my implementation. I explained each thing clearly. Okay, so basically in the project they asked about the coding implementation, like how did you implement each and everything. So they gone little bit deep in this, so he explained everything. Joining concept SQL, all join codes done. Normalization, all forms only theory done. Done one thing he asked, which is the best. I was confused about this, like which normalization is the best. Okay, he asked about malloc and garbage collector, inheritance, protected class, situation question, difference between struct and class. I answered perfectly these question with confidence. Okay, so malloc, garbage collection, inheritance, protected class, situational question, and difference between struct and class. He asked that if I applied rollback command, then what will be the changes that can be occurred in table. I did not able to answer that. Okay, so he asked that I applied rollback command, then what will be the changes will occur in the table. So if we are rollbacking the transaction, obviously no changes will be made, right? The previous transaction will be hidden, right? Then last technical question, without using arithmetic operator, how do you add two numbers, by which operator? I did not able to answer this properly. MR said tukka maro. I guessed it was correct. Okay, so they asked this like without using the arithmetic operator, how can you add two numbers? Okay, then normal MR question, situation based two question I answer, but leak in communication part. He said me to improve this. Okay, after that this part, why TCS, why what do you know about TCS? I explained properly. How was your day? He said how you improve your communication skills. I said by taking online course I will learn where to improve day by day. I will improve myself. This will beneficial for the company. He asked rate my communication skills. It's I said 3 by 5. Okay, so this was the response. Okay, at last HR asked if you allocate different technology which you did not like, will you work on that? I said yes ma'am, I dream to work for a development project, but if I got assigned as tester, then I debug 1,000 lines of code daily. In long run it helps me to be good developer in future. After this answer, MR said that after seeing your hand gesture and eyes explanation, I am sure you can debug 1,000 lines of code. After this he was laughing. Okay, yeah, because actually, I am just thinking, yes, you can say this, you can debug 1,000 line of code, but as I worked around 2 years in corporate and I debugged so many things, I can understand why he was laughing, because initially as a fresher we think about so many things, but when it comes to the practical implementation and doing the things, even two lines of code can give you a headache. Okay, relocation, night shifts, etc. I asked what I have to improve. He said only communication. I asked in technical, sir. He said it's fine, no issues. HR only document verification. The interview panel was friendly and cool and support me to get the solution, encourage me to get the correct answer. They all are laughing. One member said in the last that many students came here, but we told them to speak loud. But in your case, you already loud and confident. Will I get selected in this profile? I will get an offer letter or not according to this experience. So if your experience is like this, and if they said to improve your communication skills, maybe you will get Ninja. Digital is little bit difficult, because if we will talk about digital, the primary requirement will be you will be interacting with the clients directly. Okay, when we will be when anyone is interacting with the clients, the main requirement is the communication skills. Because whenever the meeting is ongoing and you need to, if you need to lead the meeting, the first thing which comes is requirement gathering, and for requirement gathering you will be interacting with the clients directly. So that's why the communication skills should be very very strong. In that case, I was thinking you may get Ninja. Okay, so this was the whole interview experience for TCS Digital. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching.